Hello everyone. So, you want to know how to get money. Now, this is not a modded game, so it's just a base game, and there are lots of ways with mods to get money, but the most basic way is just through normal taxation. For example, right now I am a duke, and I am getting some money from all the lands that I own directly. And I have some taxes like federal tax and taxes on cities and church. Now, this is the normal taxes that you have. You can increase or decrease taxes like here, and also if bishops and generally religious heads like you more than the Pope, like in this case, you will get more. They will pay you instead of paying the Pope. While if they like the Pope, of course they will give the money to him instead of giving it to you. It's just by doing this that you can get money. There are also other ways, especially if you have mods or if you play some other religions or ethnicities, but generally taxation is the most basic and most common. Another really nice way to have a lot of money is by participating in a crusade. If you win the crusade, you will eventually have a lot of if you participated and helped, the Pope is going to really give you some rewards for that. And that is it. That is how you get money. It's mostly through taxation, really. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment, subscribe, and see you next time.